Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to review the brand new Oppo Band 2. We will be seeing what we have in the box, the design, what materials are made of, and what options we have in the software. We will run some tests and try some of the measurements and see if these watches are worth buying. In the next video, we'll see how to connect this with Android and iOS, which app it uses, and what options we have in these apps. The Oppo Band 2 is a fitness tracker that features a 1.57-inch AMOLED rectangular display protected by 2.5D glass, as well as comes with the usual health functions including a heart rate monitor, sleep tracking, NFC, 100 sports modes, 5 ATM waterproof and more. The new Oppo Band 2 looks sporty, stylish, and suitable for both men and women. Weighing about 33 g, there is a magnetic contact for charging and a heart rate sensor at the back of the device. The body material is made of aluminium alloy and plastic at the bottom. In addition, there are also up to 100 sports activities including cycling, rowing, volleyball, tennis, baseball, cricket and more. Other additional features are sedentary reminders, stopwatches, breathing exercises, notifications and more. On paper, this band should last 7 to 14 days of normal usage and 20 days of standby time. The packet itself is small and contains the band, manual and the charger. To use the band we have to connect it first, which we will show in the next video. This is how the watch looks after it has been connected and it's ready to use. At the top we have the percentage of battery, 3 levels of brightness, sleep mode, torch, do not disturb, vibration and settings. Down we have notifications. On the right side we have healthcare and in the left side we enter the menu. Here we can see workout like, inside and out running, fat burn, indoor and out walking, rope jump, swim, freestyle, tennis, badminton, marathon etc. Next we have workout records, Alipay, Weixin Pay, sleep, blood oxygen, heart rate, stress, daily activities, weather, timer, alarm, stopwatch, calendar, breathing, drink water reminder, music control, flashlight, find my phone and settings on the end. On the settings we will find screen display where we can change something like raise to wake, tap to wake, screen brightness and screen time. Next on the settings we have vibration for notification. Do not disturb, sleep mode, app lock and other settings are on the bottom. Here we will find Bluetooth disconnect reminder, underwater mode which you turn on to deactivate the screen while you are swimming. Wearing hand, time, language, reset to default, restart, connect to new device, about and information are the options on the bottom of this page. These are all the options that we will find on the Oppo Band 2, which honestly are a lot. To change the band face, just press and hold the screen and choose one of the faces that is downloaded. In the next video we will show you how to download more on the app. Now it's time to try some of the options and see if it will work like it's designed to. Oppo Band 2 sits really well in my hand and it looks fashionable. Starting with blood oxygen where you press start and it begins to measure, but we can see this time the measurement failed because our band was loose, so we need to strap it tightly and try again. In the second attempt after a few seconds we can see the results which shows the percentage, and all this measurement will be saved on the app. Next is heart rate where again we have to press start and it begins immediately. It takes a few seconds to measure and we can see a little chart and the measurement on the bottom, and if you scroll down you will see more information. After that on the menu we will find stress where again we can see a chart and the measurement down below. All the health options are similar and fast to measure. On the bottom of the menu we will find breathing where we can put from 1 to 5 minutes, and this exercise will help you to relax, calm your heart rate by breathing properly. This was the Oppo Band 2 and all of the options. This band is simple looking but very rich software with options and things to do. Personally I think this band is very useful and practical for daily use. Oppo did not disappoint again. So, Guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart device.